Cyclone. You must have heard about cyclones. Why do we get afraid of its name? Cyclones are huge revolving storms caused by high-speed winds rotating around a central area of low air pressure. We know how a thunderstorm forms. Let us see how it becomes a cyclone. Cyclones are formed over warm oceans. The warm ocean also heats the air above it. When humid air is lifted, it cools down and forms cloud. The low air pressure created over the ocean begins to pull the clouds in, and the clouds begin to rotate due to Earth's rotation. These clouds continue to grow larger and begin spinning more. The swirling winds rotate faster and faster, forming a huge circle which can be up to 2,000 kilometers across. The center of a cyclone is a calm area. It is called the eye of a storm. As the cyclone builds up, it begins to move. Cyclones are extremely destructive. It can lift the water as high as 3 to 12 meters. As a result, the seawater enters the low-lying coastal areas, causing loss of life and property. It also causes heavy floods. As a result, fertility of a soil can also be reduced. Now it has become to monitor cyclones with the help of satellites and radars.